Well now, if the MD-3500 isn't big enough to do the job, have a look at this little jewel. This is the Baileigh MD-6000 mag drill. It has a larger capacity and more power. But wait, that's not all. A 2-speed motor with forward and reverse for tapping capabilities. Now this machine also has a 2 3/8 inch maximum cutter diameter and maximum depth of 3 inches. With a gravity feed coolant system, 8 1/4 inch stroke, the drill chuck is included and it's 110 volt. For more information on this machine or any others that we sell, visit us at Baileigh.com. Oh, but wait, I almost forgot. Now, these annular cutters don't come standard equipment with this particular machine because drill bits do just a fine job. But as we all know, a drill bit does not cut a perfectly round hole. A drill bit cuts a 3-sided hole. These annular cutters that we offer as an option cut a perfectly round hole. Again, go back to Baileigh.com and have a look.